Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan. This is our latest construction video. As you can see here, we just poured the slab. From our last visit, in our last video, you saw that we poured the parking lot. And alhamdulillah, we've made great progress. And we've had the members of the local construction committee, the Waller committee, and the EB members as well. And to support this project, we've made a special Ramadan campaign. You can support it by going to ihh.org/Waller. Jazakumullahu khairan.
I'm the chairman of the local construction committee. We have very qualified group of local construction committee, and most of them are qualified faculty from Prairie View. We have one architecture staff, we have one foundation engineer, and this masjid actually is going to be one of the masjid for the whole community of Houston, not only the local. And there will be a day, inshallah, most of us will be buried in this masjid, and while people are praying in this masjid, they will also we'll get some share of that.
We've been working on this project for about a year and a half. We're working very hard, and alhamdulillah, so God gave us the financial power to launch this project, and almost it's in the initial stages, and this community is growing, alhamdulillah, and we need this masjid for this community and for the cemetery.
I'm a faculty member at Prairie View University, which is just a few miles away. There's a large Muslim community of students on campus, but there is no mosque on campus. So we used to pray Jummah prayer in a library, but students, they need a place to pray 5 times a day, and this opportunity at Waller this will help fill that void, and we count on your support. I hope this is Sadaqah Jariyah. Please help us as much as you can.
Assalamu alaikum. This masjid, this project is very important to the entire Houston Islamic community. It is such a special thing that the Muslims have their own place for burial, the cemetery, and the masjid would nicely complement that. I work at Prairie View University in the College of Business, and there are many students who are going to take advantage of this center, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. This is Hilal, and I'm a civil engineer, and I'm working on this project from day one. And we did all planning, permitting, everything was done, and then we poured the slab yesterday, and our building is ready to be erected. It's coming next week. So, and we are planning to complete our project by end of this year. So we need your help. And you can see all around me, you have the driveway in the front, right next to the main street for this masjid. And then you will have another driveway for the cemetery separate.
We are here as we poured the slab right now, and we have so many phases of this building to be completed, and we have HVAC and the plumbing and the interior finish out and the windows and all that. We plan to finish all this year. If we can get your support, please. Thank you.
MashaAllah, as you all see, we have done great progress. Walls of the masjid will be ready next week, and from there we just need to finish the interior. So what we need everyone's help. We're short about $250,000. This is a project for everyone in Greater Houston. It's a Sadaqah Jariyah for all of you. Whoever come here for burial, for prayers, will be able to use this masjid.
My dear brothers and sisters, if you're living on the northern side, western side, or the northwestern side of Houston, most likely you're coming here. So inshallah ta'ala, today, you have to take your loved ones to different places, for example, for the ghusl, for the janazah, and for the burial. In the long run, inshallah, we'll have a one-stop shop here at this masjid where you can have the ghusl, you can have the janazah, and also the burial at the same time. Inshallah, so please donate for this, inshallah. Envision this one-stop shop and donate for this cause. Jazakumullah khairan.
What a noble cause, subhanAllah, to be a part of establishing a house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on this earth, especially here in the greater Houston area. We're here in the Waller Masjid. You've heard from all committee members. We ask Allah to bless you. Please be a part of this. Support this effort, isgh.org/Waller, and be a part of this time, subhanAllah, as we grow here, community in the greater Houston area. Jazakumullahu khairan. We'll make dua, inshallah, that Allah blesses all of those who have supported this project and continue to support this project. Bismillah wa salatu والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. اللهم لك الحمد حتى ترضى، ولك الحمد إذا رضيت، ولك الحمد بعد الرضا. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. اللهم اهدنا واهد بنا وعافنا واعف عنا، وعلى طاعتك أعنا. اللهم الطف بنا فيما جرت به المقادير. اللهم بارك في هذا المسجد يا رب العالمين، مسجد والر يا قوي يا متين. اللهم بارك في جميع من تبرعوا لهذا المسجد يا الله، بارك لهم في أموالهم وأرزاقهم وأولادهم. Oh Allah, bless all of those who have contributed towards this cause, towards this masjid and establishment of this masjid. Oh Allah, enable the rest of our community to be a part of this, Ya Rabb al-Alameen, to intercede for a good cause, Ya Rabb al-Alameen, and to gain the rewards therein, Ya Rabb al-Alameen, as you have promised. Oh Allah, bless the Muslim community in the greater Houston area, bless the Islamic side of greater Houston, and bless all of the volunteers who have been working tirelessly to see this project where it is today. Ameen, Allahumma ameen. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, nastaghfiruka wa natubu إليك. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.